Natural. Totally natural. I'll tell you what's natural. All of this. So much snow. I can't even see my yard. Heck, not even that. I can't even see my own yacht. Wait, I don't have a yacht. I have a helicopter. This is more snow than Hazel Island has probably planned. And other things I'd like to mention. Lena is stuck on her island again. Evan has accidentally squashed a set of Russian nesting dolls. And Lana is currently being charged because she's being overworked. You know, I'm going to check the weather forecast person, because he's wrong at least 50% of the time. I am the weather forecast person. Hi, weather forecast person. What's tomorrow going to be like? T-shirt and shorts weather. Just look outside. It's that way already. Really. It's already t-shirt and shorts weather? Are you kidding me right now? It's not. Well, in that case, I'm gonna go bundle up with some hot cocoa and stuff and watch a lot of bad Nickelodeon cartoons. Whew. Okay. See ya. Okay, I'm out. There's gonna be a blizzard, even though it's gonna be t-shirt and shorts weather.
My, what a lot of snow. I wonder how many inches we'll get before Hazel Island is buried.